everyone, today we are going to play some Ice Princess Pregnant Lady. Okay, so let's begin. Arman Malik control, it seems. It's a ad, I'm sorry. Agnes Games. Getting loaded. So do not click on those two because again this game will go. Click on play. So there are many options. Do it one by one. So she's okay now. So you should put this there and note the heart rate. Then click on the next part. You should click on that, then only we'll get to know. Follow this instruction, move left to right. So let's do that. So so we are rubbing that. They check the baby. It's a ad. It's her medicine and food time. She needs to eat fruits. She needs to listen some music. You can have some tattoos. So like this it will be. Then put a tick mark. Then you can paint it on that design. So all colors or any color one. That's all, game is over. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this game. So in our channel we will tell you about robotics, Vedic maths, games, studies, comedy, entertainment and many more. For seeing all those without missing, subscribe to Vishwablooms. If you enjoyed this, give us a big thumbs up and share it to your friends. Thank you.